Hello, today I'll be talking to you all about my CS50AI degrees project. I've recently started CS50AI and I'm now on the degrees project. One of the requirements for this degrees project is to make a video, so here I am, making this video.
Okay, now, so before I show you my code, I will be explaining what 6 degrees of separation Kevin Bacon game is. And to explain it to you, I'll be reading out these 3 sentences. Kevin Bacon. 6 degrees of Kevin Bacon, or Bacon's Law, is a parlor game based on the 6 degrees of separation concept, which posits that any 2 people on Earth are 6 or fewer acquaintance links apart. Now this is a bit vague, so I'll explain it better by going to this image. And let me take for example Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp appeared in Blow with Kevin Dillon. In Kevin Dillon, who is a brother of Matt Dillon, who appeared in Wild Things with Kevin Bacon. So what this actually is just that Johnny Depp is linked to Kevin Dillon is linked to Matt Dillon, and Matt Dillon is linked to Kevin Bacon. So anybody on Earth can be linked to Kevin Bacon. So inside this degrees.py file, I have all of my code. And then I wrote this code inside PyCharm because I personally feel that PyCharm is better than most other programs, and that PyCharm is easier because they have a lot of good functions. So I'm going to run this code by typing Python degrees.py, the name of the file. Now write small. I'm writing small because I want to run it through a small database, a small file, instead of a big one. I'll run it. Then I'll get Kevin Bacon. You can get anybody. And then I'll get Dustin Hoffman. I'll enter Dustin Hoffman. And as you can see, it says 2 degrees of separation. And Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise starred in A Few Good Men. Tom Cruise and Dustin Hoffman starred in Rain Man. Kevin and Tom are linked because of A Few Good Men. Tom and Dustin are linked because of Rain Man. Kevin, for example, is at the top of the train, and he is linked to Tom Cruise, who's in the middle of the train. Now Tom Cruise is linked to Dustin, who's at the back of the train. So they're all linked together. And then now I'm going to run Python degrees.py, and now I'm going to use a larger file, and then enter. As you can see, it's taking quite a significant amount of time because this file only had about 20. This file has about 11 million. So let's just be a bit patient and wait for a name prompt to come up, and see, it finally came up. So I'll use Fred, for example. I'll enter him. And I'll use Lauren, for example. And this is going to take some time because it has to look for every possible link that could happen. So it's probably going to take about a minute or so. And finally, as you can see, an answer came up. On the first line it says 2 degrees of separation. On the second line it says Fred and Peter starred in The Purple Taxi. Peter and Lauren starred in Appointment with Death. So it's kind of the same as this one, where Fred is linked to Peter and Peter is linked to Lauren. This will wrap it up for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.